Yes, obviously, sports and recreation activities are very important because without them, it's a part of your life. You have to play. You have to be healthy to play. As you can see, that many sports personalities they practice a lot, and this practice makes them. Practice basically helps them to avoid many diseases. We have so many diseases. One of the problem that usually students are facing these days, or youngsters are facing these days, is obesity. So in order to avoid obesity, you have to be creative. You have to take part in such sports activities. I often take part in sports just because it make me feel healthy, and to make sure that what activities can we have, so in order to transform these activities into my students, so I have to take part in sports in every day. I usually like to play cricket and other indoor activities, including table tennis. I also go for swimming, and these are the activities that I do repeatedly throughout the week and throughout the month. So it helps me to maintain my health, as well as to transform the lectures, to make my lectures more better, because it's a personal experience, so I feel more confident in doing such things. I've studied sports management, and I did my masters in sports management. I'm currently is pursuing my PhD in sports management. So yes, I encourage, and this is what my study says, that I have to encourage my students. I have to encourage everyone, and make sure that they should take part in the sports activities. This will not only help them to avoid the diseases, but this will help them to be energetic in their professions, in their daily life. So yes, I really encourage them to take part in sports. Sports have really helped me a lot. Means at the age of 50, I still there are I'm and there are so many diseases that I have avoided. I was having some blood pressure issues, and after playing sports, I just overcome that problem too. And I have seen that too. So there are so many of my friends who are facing some sugar patients were there, who are my friends too. So after taking part in sports, they start avoiding such things. So yes, it's a very healthy activity, and one should take a part of it. There's always a balance in between work life. You should spend some time at your work, so you should spend some time in your physical activities too. So that will help you to get more active, and this will help you to achieve your objectives in the longer run as well.